Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Someone asked me that can we celebrate Hijrah, which is on the 1st of Muharram? Can we celebrate it as our new year in Islam? If we look into the into the history of Hijrah, what caused Hijrah in Islam? What is the sabab that caused Hijrah, that bring Hijrah to Islam? It is the migration of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Medina. So it doesn't come as a celebration. So which means that we cannot celebrate Hijrah in Islam. As we hear the meaning of celebration, which means that someone should gather in a place and be celebrate and be joyful, it means a festival observance, so of a special event or significant moment. So we can't celebrate Hijrah in Islam. What we do is we follow the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that said, "Al-Muslim man salima al-Muslimuna min lisanihi wa yadihi." A Muslim is the person that the Muslims, all the remaining Muslims, they are free from the evil of his mouth and the evil of his hand. Wal muhajiru man hajara ma nahallah. And al muhajir, someone that migrates, is someone, it is the person, it is he who migrates from evil deeds to what? To good deeds. So what we can also attach Hijrah to is that if you are in a place that it is very difficult for you to worship Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, please do Hijrah, leave that place. So we don't celebrate Hijrah, but we leave. Hijrah means leaving a place to another place, leaving a bad character to a good character. So this is what Hijrah has came to teach us. Not that we are going to gather a lot of people, be giving them food and all that, no, but it came as a remark. Hope you understand, which means that we use it to remark the beginning, the counting of our year in Islam. May Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase our knowledge and understanding. I don't want this video to be so long. Please subscribe to Arridowy Lectures TV. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.